They're all laughing at me, I'm such a joke. I'm so stupid to have ever trusted Nicholas. Sorry Marjorie, I'm not answering the phone right now. I really don't want to talk to anyone. I hate this life, all it offers me is pain and disappointments. My parents never loved me, they gave me up without a second thought. My foster parents didn't care either. Nicholas doesn't care about me or even love me, it was all pretending. Why should I waste time on this earth? Why should I be in existence? Maybe I should have died in that plane crash, it would have spared me a lot of grief. Message from Nicholas. Angel, I love you, please love, where are you? I'm so sorry, babe, please don't do anything foolish, I will die if you died. Just leave me alone Nicholas, stop pretending to care, it was all a lie, a game for you. Maybe I should just jump off this cliff, and do the world a favor. It seems everyone would be better off, if I was dead. Nicholas, I'm definitely not answering. Nicholas, stop calling me. Goodbye cruel world. Marjorie sent a message. Angel, I love you, please don't jump. Please tell me where you are. Oh Marjorie, I love you too, you're the only one who cares. You're my best friend and the closest thing I have as a family. You're my sister, you're the only reason I won't jump off this cliff.
Where the hell were you, Angel? Oh thank God, I found you. Angel, you had me sick with worries.
I'm sorry.
Angel, you are soaking wet, you need to get out of those clothes. Come on home with me, I have a spare room you can stay in as long as you want.
Okay, let's go.
How are you feeling, Angel? Are you still cold?
No, I'm okay, thanks for the hot chocolate.
Where were you, Angel? I look all over for you.
I was standing on the edge of the cliff, where we first met. I was going to jump, I felt all the pain from the past and present, I just felt like there's nothing to live for.
Oh Angel, no.
I'm sorry. I was about to jump, when I got a message from you, and that's what made me stop. I couldn't jump.
Angel.
Thinking I would never see you again, was more devastating. You, Marjorie, saved me. You're the only one who really cares, my best friend, my sister. I love you, sis.
Oh Angel, I love you too, sis. I may have been a factor in stopping you from jumping, but you are the one who saved yourself. I'm so proud of you, Angel.
Thanks, Marjorie.
Angel, I am going to say something and you would be angry with me, but Angel, it's the truth.
What is it, Marjorie?
I was angry, still angry, but I'm a good judge of character. Do you agree?
Of course I agree.
Angel, Nicholas is a real jerk. He said and done things that really disbelieving at times.
Yes, I agree. What's the point?
Angel, Nicholas really and truly loves you. He made a terrible mistake a year ago. He was also very drunk. That's what Sam said. Maybe you should hear him out.
Marjorie, I can't believe you're taking Nicholas' side.
Angel, I am not taking Nicholas' side.
Really, it seems that way.
Angel, I know how much you love Nicholas. I'm not saying he didn't do crap, but you should think about what I said. Please don't be mad at me.
I'm not mad, well, maybe a little, but I know you mean well. But honestly, Marjorie, I don't want to talk about Nicholas.
Okay, I understand. You should get some rest.
Yes, I'm exhausted.
Good night, sis.
Good night, sis, and thank you for letting me stay here for a while.
You're my best friend, Angel. You're welcome to stay as long as you want.
Thanks, sis.
Good night, Angel.
Good night, Marjorie. Good morning, Marjorie.
Good morning, Angel. How did you sleep?
I didn't get much sleep, thinking about everything that happened with Nicholas.
Oh, Angel, I'm so sorry.
I'm making breakfast for everyone, my way of showing my gratitude.
Thanks, sis, but you don't have to do that. Your family.
I want to. Okay, sis.
Okay, thanks, sis.
I call Mr. Hernandez. I'm asking for a transfer to another branch. He wasn't too happy about it. He said I'm very valuable to the company. He said I should come in tomorrow to talk it over.
Oh, Angel, has it reached to this? Quitting your job because of Nicholas? You worked so hard for that position.
I'm not quitting, Marjorie. I'm just transferring to another branch in the same company. The next branch is in Holland, far away from Nicholas and everyone.
And far away from me.
Oh, Marjorie, I'm not running from you.
No, you're running from Nicholas.
Can you blame me? Nicholas has the whole office spreading rumors about me. I'm a laughing stock.
Angel, that was Chrissy spreading rumors, not Nicholas. Please reconsider about your decision. I will really miss you. I like working with you and having my friend close by.
Marjorie,
Let me answer the door. Nicholas, what are you doing here? You should leave now.
Marjorie, I need to see Angel. I need to know she's alright, please.
Angel is not doing well. She almost jumped off the cliff last night. You are the last person she wants to see, Nicholas. You need to leave now.
Is she okay? Marjorie, please let me talk to Angel. I love her. It was a long time ago. I was drunk. Sam and Roger was at Joe's. Chrissy too. Sam came up to me and asked about making a bet. I didn't take on the bet. But I know how it looks to you and Angel. I love Angel. I will never ever hurt her. Please, Marjorie, let me see Angel.
Look, Nicholas, I believe you, but it's not up to me. Angel doesn't want to see you or talk to you. I'm sorry, Nicholas, you have to go now.
I love her so much. Marjorie, please help me.
I spoke to Angel last night about your telling the truth, but Angel is too upset right now to listen to reasons. All I can say, Nicholas, is to fight for Angel. If you truly love Angel, don't give up on her.
Thanks, Marjorie. I won't ever give up on Angel. That wasn't an option. I love Angel so much it hurts. Thanks for trying, Marjorie.
Don't get me wrong, Nicholas. I'm really angry with you for making Angel reach to the point she did last night. Thank God she didn't jump. But I know you are telling the truth. And I know how much Angel loves you. She's hurting really badly right now. You need to go, Nicholas.
Okay, I'll go, but I'm going to fight for Angel. I'm not giving up on us. I love you, Angel. I know you can hear me. I'm not giving up on us, Angel. You mean the world to me. Bye, Marjorie.
Is Nicholas gone?
Yes, he's gone. Angel, Nicholas truly loves you.
I love Nicholas too, but I don't know if I can ever trust him again.
I don't blame you for thinking Nicholas is not trustworthy, but I saw Nicholas, I saw his pain and felt it. Angel, you don't have to answer me, but please think about it. Nicholas really loves you and he's truly sorry. I think you should give him another chance. No one is perfect, Angel. We all make mistakes. I love you, sis.
I love you too, sis.